G'day guys and girls, Big Matt here from MKM Touring Australia. Now, it's been a while since I've actually done one of these, so this is just a quick unboxing of my new MPPT controller that I have bought through San Hima. Now, I did pay full retail price on this. This is no special, no giveaway, no trial thing or anything like that. So this is special they had for Black Friday, and I think off the top of my head, I think it was like it was under $100 either way, so I might pop some details in the description of where it is. I actually purchased this one through one of my favorite websites, of course, being Amazon. Alright guys, so let's just open it up and have a look what we actually get. Beautiful guys. So this is, of course, the 20 amp MPPT controller. They do actually hold a 20 and a 40, but this one is the 20 amp one. It's a bit smaller. As for my little project I've got coming up, I really don't need a massive one. So, alright guys, of course you'll have some instructions on installation. You've got the good old handbook, of course, what runs you through all the settings that you'll need depending on your battery type that you are running, and they have a little QR code instruction book as well. This time around, didn't get any discounts. Normally get like a little welcome 15 code that you can use on their website. Guys, you can remember that number and use it if you choose to. So we have today a couple of Anderson plugs to hook it up. As I said, just a little 20 ampere, really packed quite well in here. Metal fins on the back for cooling. The casing itself is plastic, of course, and that is the unit itself. So 20 amp, 12 to 24 volt, of course. I made sure this actually fits my solar pan requirements. These will work quite well, and I did realize the lugs on the bottom of these actually put the cable in are quite large. So they're a good size, fit for purpose for what I need. Unit's quite small itself. As I said, if you're looking at that, jump on the San Hima website or on Amazon, and a few other places do sell it, and you can pick up one there. Alright guys, will be an install video later on down the track, but for now, uru for now.